In the name of Allah, dear students, today my topic is about models for class ninth subject English. Dear students, first of all, what is a model? A model is a type of auxiliary or helping verb that is used to express permission, ability, obligation, prohibition, lack of necessity, advice, possibility, or probability. Dear students, before I would like to give you the list of these modal verbs. First of all, I would like to give you the important characteristics of these modal verbs. There are some important characteristics of these modal verbs also. Number one characteristic is that they never change their form. These modal verbs, they never change their form, so we can't add s, ed, r or ing in these modal verbs. For example, I would like to give you an example. They can swim, he can swim, they can swim, or he can swim. So there we see that modal verb doesn't change in plural or as well as in plural sentence. And number second characteristic is that they are always followed by an infinitive without to, but have to, ought to, need to. For example, I would like to give you an example. He could have come to the party. He could have come to the party. And number third is that they are used to indicate modality, allows speakers to express obligation, certainty, possibility, willingness, or ability. Dear students, now there is the list of these modal verbs: can, could, may, might, will, would, shall, should, must. Today, I would like to give you three important modal verbs. So, number one is can, number second is could, and number third is may. Today, in our today's class, we would like to discuss can, could, and may. Dear students, can is used to denote ability, possibility, or permission. Can is used to denote ability or permission or possibility. Dear students, I would like to give you the meaning of these things. Number one, first of all, what is ability? Ability means physical or mental power to do or accomplish something. Ability means physical or mental power to do or accomplish something. Permission means the action of officially allowing someone to do a particular thing, consent or authorization. And possibility means a thing that may happen or be the case. Dear students, now can is used to denote ability. For example, I can swim. I can swim. I can lift this box. I can dance very well. I can speak English. I can speak Arabic. She can dance very well. So, in these sentences, we find the ability or a skill. And number second, can is used to denote permission. For example, can I use your phone? You can go now. You can use my fan. In these sentences, we find permission. Can is also used to denote possibility. As I have already mentioned, what is possibility? Possibility means a thing that may happen or be the case. Possibility means, for example, smoking can cause cancer. Smoking can cause cancer. So there is possibility. It can happen to anyone. So here is the possibility. And number second model is could. Could is used to denote permission. Dear students, for example, when we need permission, could I borrow your car? So permission is needed. Could I borrow your car? Could I just say something about universe? So in these sentences we find permission. And number second, possibility. It could rain tomorrow. It could rain tomorrow. Don't worry, they could have just forgotten to phone. Don't worry, they could have just forgotten to phone. So there is possibility. And number third, there is may. May is used to denote permission. For example, may I use your phone please? May I use your phone please? Number second sentence is, you may go now. May I come in, sir? So there we find permission. And possibility, his statement may be true. His statement may be true. His plan may succeed. His plan may succeed. And also we find wish. Wish is also may could also be used to denote wish. For example, may you live long. May our country prosper. Sir, may I go to toilet? These are the some important modal verbs. I hope that you have grasped these 3 modal verbs. Okay, thank you.